Hey everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change email address in Tango. So let's get started. First, open your Tango application. Make sure you're logging to your Tango account. Now tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then select account option. Tap on the edit button, which is right next to email option. Now delete your previous email and then type in your new email. Once you're done, tap on the save button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can change email address in Tango. Thanks for watching Tech My Life. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.